What is the horsepower applied by a person while chewing 100 gram of ice per minute? This is the question which is asked to us. So here you can see it's clearly mentioned the mass of the ice. What is the mass of ice? The mass of ice given to you is 100 gram, right? So just write m equal to 100 gram. Now the second data is that the latent heat of ice. The latent heat of ice is how much? It's already known to you and I am writing it over here. Latent heat of ice is equal to 80, that is represented by L, right? Capital L is equal to 80 calorie per gram, right? This is the latent heat of ice. This data may be given to you into the question, right? But even you can remember. And the Q, that is the heat, the amount of heat required to melt this 100 gram of ice, right? So the Q is represented for that amount of heat, right? So by the formula we know that the Q to melt 100 gram of ice is can be just written as Q equal to product of M and L, the mass of the ice given and the latent heat, right? And the M is given to you as 100 gram. So 100 gram multiplied by 80 calorie per gram, right? So this will give you gram will be cancelled and product of 180 will give you 8000. So 8000 calorie is the amount of heat which is required to melt this 100 gram of ice. Now the work done in 1 minute is how much? Work done in 1 minute is the product of J and Q, where what is the value of J? J is 4.18 or we can write 4.2, right? 4.2 joule per calorie multiplied with the value of Q, the amount of heat, that is 8000 calorie. So here calorie will be cancelled out, right? And we can see 4.2 into 8000, that will be giving you 33,600 joule. So this is the amount of work. And if you calculate per unit second, that is work done per unit of time, that is your power. So this will be divided by 60 because in 1 minute 60 seconds. So this will give you 560 watt, and in 1 HP 746 watt. So divided by 746 to get the answer in HP, horsepower.